everyone, welcome to the next session on SolidWorks. In this session, we are going to see the design of hexagonal nut by using another technique for creating the design. We will first see the list. From here, I am going to choose M8 as the nominal size, for which the diameter will be 13. That is the diameter of this outer circle here. And then the thickness will be 6.8 mm. That's what we have chosen. That is this distance h. So we will go to SolidWorks first and click on new. We'll select part and click on OK. We'll first choose front plane and click normal to. Next I'll go to sketch and I'll choose polygon. Once this is done, I'll go to smart dimension and I'll give the diameter here as 13 we discussed. Also, I want to make this side vertical. I'll just click on it and click on make vertical. So once you make it vertical, this becomes fully defined sketch, which is in black color. So once this is done, now I want to enter a circle inside over here. I'll give the dimension to it. This is 6.8 mm. Once this is done, I'll come out of dimensioning and exit from here at the top left corner. Now I want to go to features and I want to extrude this shape that I have created. For selecting, I'll go to this arrow here and I can click on sketch 1. So this is selected. And I'll change the direction from blind to mid plane. And I'll give the depth of the extrusion, that is 6.5. I'll click on OK now. So once the extrude is done, now I want to create this chamfer on this face. Previously, we had just made a circle and gone for extrude cut. This internal circle was the reference. Now I'll show you another way of creating that chamfer. For that, I'll first go to right plane and normal to. I'll select this side. Now I'll go to sketch and I'll choose line from here and I'll draw a particular shape of a triangle. So this is what I create. Okay. Next I'll choose center line and along the center I'll draw a line. You can click on escape such that you are out of this line, otherwise it will continue like a polyline. So now I'll go to smart dimension, I'll click on this point on this line. This dimension is 6.5, that is half of the radius that I have taken. I'll get the angle between this line and this line. This will be 30 degree. In the previous case when we were extruding, we had given a draft of 60 degree. Here it is 30 degree, half of it. Dimensioning is also done. Now I'll exit this and I'll go to features. Next we'll go to revolved cut. I'll select the sketch 2. The direction is blind and the angle is 360 degree. I'll click on OK. So you can see here the chamfer has been created. Now I just want to replicate this on the other end. So I will go to mirror option. It is asking the mirror face or the plane. So I am going to choose the plane as the front plane. You can see here, this is how it is going to be mirrored, and I'll click on OK. So this is done. Next, I want to create chamfer here. So I'll go to fillet and select chamfer. I'll select this edge. This edge and the edge here. Now this dimension is what I need to change. So it is 0.25 mm. Angle is 45 degree. Okay. So you can see your chamfer has been created. And the final thing which we want to always create is a thread in the nut. So I'll go to insert, annotations, cosmetic thread. Let's select the edge up to next. And this has been automatically selected as 7.8. If you want, you can change this to say 10 and click on OK. So you can see here threading has been done. Now I'll just go to this option of cosmetic thread. I'll edit this feature of cosmetic thread and let me give this as 7.8 itself, and you will see it is done over here. Now you cannot see the cosmetic thread unless you show the option. So you just go to this last thing here and click on options. Go to document properties, detailing. Go to detailing and check this option of shaded cosmetic threads, which was not highlighted. Click on OK. So you can see here the cosmetic thread has been now transformed into a proper view of a threading. Now this is not the threading that has been created, it is just a view that you get to see, such that you are able to imagine how it would look like when the nut has been made. So this completes the hexagonal nut design of size M8 with a different pattern of creating this chamfer rather than the one which we had used. You can also use the previous option that we have used. It will give you the same results. It is just another way of creating the nut. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the design process. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.